Oh, this is just the activity.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Okay, grocery haul, and we're gonna do a little cooking today. We're gonna do a little prepping, trying to make sure that we are using up all of our things. All right, here's what I got. I got 2 bags of these 40% less fat. Well, this one is 40% less fat. This one is not. The Cape Cod chips were buy one, get one free. So we got the sea salt and then the spicy sweet jalapeno to go with dinner tonight. And we're gonna make fish tacos. Lord have mercy. Fish tacos. This pollock with the skin off, I don't buy this very often, but it was on a buy one, get one. $8.49, buy one, get one free. And it is 24 ounces, which is one of the bigger ones that was in there. And so $4 and some change each. So I said, we'll just get 2 and we'll put one back. I think this was 6 fillets that are pretty decent size. Picked up 2 things. Y'all pray for me. I picked up 5 pounds of potatoes, $2.99. Picked up 2 of the whole wheat penne pasta, 99 cents to put back in the stock pantry. Cantaloupe was 2 for $4. Ibuprofen we needed for just half. It was $1.99 for 100. They very rarely have decaf on a sale, but all of the Maxwell House was $7.99. And so I picked up the decaf. Of course, you know, I still drink that because of the blood pressure. The tall kitchen trash bags we needed was $3.79. I only got a small one today because I was trying to stay in budget. Picked up the almond milk. This was a good price. 32 ounces of this Pompeian olive oil. The mild taste was $9.99. And 16 ounces of a different brand was $6.99. So I just went ahead and splurged. Got the twice as much for $3 more. We picked up some of these carb counter wraps for our fish tacos. And I actually was going to pick up a lettuce, but it was like $3 and some change. I was like, oh, the Lord is not pleased. And we have some spinach growing in our garden that we can actually get out and use. So I'm going to get some spinach out of the garden. Cheese, Jackson wanted Swiss, and we got Sharp, 2 for $5. Care oranges were $2.99 for 3 pounds. And what you see here was $57. That's how much I paid. 57. It was $50, and then I added in the coffee. And this was MVP. That was MVP. The oil was MVP, and this one was as well. So there that is, $57. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things we're going to be working on here in the next minute. Okay, just right up here, this is our fruit. And sometimes we don't always get to the fruit. So what we're going to do is peel these bananas, slice them, peel them, throw them in the freezer. We're getting ready to make baked apples. So we're going to cook those apples in a small crock pot. We're going to slice these and throw them in the freezer so we can use them in the garbage disposal. So just not to lose any fruit this week. Some of these are still good, and I'll eat those for my lunches. But the ones that are kind of old, we will put in the freezer and, again, use them in the garbage disposal. So we're getting ready to get to that right now. Alrighty, you guys. So here I am. We had those bananas that were kind of used. Well, they were going bad. So what I decided to do was to go ahead and cut them up, slice them, peel them, and then slice them. Put them in a Ziploc gallon bag for a smoothie. Sister's not giving up on her smoothies just yet. She is still having smoothies there. And then I'm going to take these. The dogs had to get some of the banana. They're spoiled. And then I'm going to take these banana peels and I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag for fertilizer for my garden. I saw this on a TikTok somewhere, I saw it on a TikTok somewhere, so I'm going to use that remedy, and hopefully it's going to help in my garden. And the next thing I'm going to do is, I had those oranges, and when I did the reel about using the oranges, of cutting up the oranges and putting them in to freeze for my garbage disposal, I got a little pushback on that, saying they were still good for cooking, or I could have froze the juice. But when things go bad, they taste bad. And I had already tasted these, which is why I cut them up for the garbage disposal. So we weren't going to use it because the flavor was not good. And they were going mushy, and some of them were had the mold on them. But you couldn't see that on the video. I know. Here, Jackson's working on some little mini petite potatoes for a dinner meal. We had these from a Saturday supper. It's been a couple weeks since we've had a Saturday supper, simply because it just hasn't worked out in our schedule. But last time my friend came over, she brought petite potatoes, and so we're just going to cook these up so we'll have that ready for a few meals. And that's how we've used up all of our old food. All right, y'all, so we're back. It's a whole nother week, and this is this week's grocery haul. So you're going to see last week's and this week's. Here is what we picked up. We spent $69 at the grocery store. $69. Okay. I picked up some sweet dried cranberries to go with this spring mix for some salads. This was like $2.99. Oh, no, this was like $2.28, and this was $4.69. Strawberry applesauce. I just eat this whenever I'm feeling a little nauseous or something. If I just need a little something. $2.20 something. Gala apples were $3.99, the cheapest ones they had. Picked up a diet orange for $1.48. The kids got their original milk. That's usually like $2.99. Strawberries were $2 a piece. We picked up the unsalted butter. Jackson picked that up. I'm not sure how much that was. I picked up an old-fashioned pecan pie. That was $1. And then I'm assuming Jackson picked up that pepper jack cheese because we don't like hot cheese, sister and I. We like sharp. Was it 2 for $4 or 2 for $5?
2 for $5.
2 for $5. I needed coffee creamer, so we got this chocolate caramel, 0 sugar, and then Jackson needed some all-purpose flour. This coleslaw mix, which we're just going to do like egg roll in a bowl, was $1.99, so we got 2 of those. And then 3 pounds of turkey was $8.99. We try to get this deal whenever they have it. And then we got the 2 14 all-beef sandwich steaks. They were buy one, get one free at $8.79. Oh, we did also pick up some eggs for $4.89, $4.99, something like that. And some water. So that's what we got for $69. We're not going to cook this week. I'm still not feeling the best. So I'm going to go to bed. But we do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with us, checking out our channel. Like the video, share, comment. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.